Learn Croatian past tense. I had.
Imao sam.
Verb, to have. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to laugh and learn? Today we'll nail the Croatian past of to have and keep it fun. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart path to languages. For more resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Our star verb is to have equals
Imati.
and today you'll speak its past like a pro. Your goal today. By the end, you'll comfortably say who had what, yesterday, last week, or 5 minutes ago. Target map. I had equals.
Imao sam.
Mask. Speaker. You had, singular, mask, equals.
Ti si imao.
He had equals.
Imao je.
She had equals.
Ona je imala.
It had equals.
Imalo je.
You had, plural, formal, equals.
Imali ste.
They had equals.
Oni su imali.
Base verb, to have equals.
Imati.
Let's play with them in context. Forms at a glance. Quick snapshot. Repeat after me with confidence. I had.
Imao sam.
You had, SG.
Ti si imao.
He had.
Imao je.
She had.
Ona je imala.
It had.
Imalo je.
You had, plural, formal.
Imali ste.
They had.
Oni su imali.
Infinitive.
Imati.
Comedy dialogue. The case of the missing tickets. Listen in and spot each past form, yes, even the sneaky ones. A. Yesterday, I had the plan.
Imao sam.
Plan. B. Nice, but you, SG, had the tickets.
Ti si imao.
Cart. A. He had the map.
Imao je.
Car2, don't blame me. B. Relax, she had a backup.
Ona je imala.
Plan B. You Torby. A. The old phone? It had 1% battery.
Imalo je.
Jet and Posto, heroic. Guide, to the group, you had the receipt.
Imali ste.
Račun na stolu. Crowd, don't worry, they had copies.
Oni su imali.
Kopić Sigilov regime. Narrator, moral of the story, always.
Imati.
Snacks, snacks solve everything. Rhythm drill. Clap the beat and echo me, make it musical so it sticks. Beat 1 to 2, I had.
Imao sam.
Beat 1 to 2, you had, SG.
Ti si imao.
Beat 1 2 3, she had.
Ona je imala.
It had.
Imalo je.
Beat 1 to 2, you had, plural.
Imali ste.
They had.
Oni su imali.
Tag, to have.
Imati.
Quick quiz. Answer out loud, I'll give you a beat to think before revealing. Q1. Say, I had time. A.
Imao sam.
Vremena. Q2. Say, you had the key, singular, to a friend. A.
Ti si imao.
Klajuice. Q3. She had an idea. A.
Ona je imala.
Idiju. Q4. It had a crack. A.
Imalo je.
Pakotinu. Q5. You had the tickets, speaking to a group. A.
Imali ste.
Cart. Q6. They had a plan. A.
Oni su imali.
Plan. Bonus. Name the base verb, to have.
A. Imati.
Culture tip. Tiny tip, big wins. Say what you mean, not what English tempts you to say. In Croatian, use
Imati.
for possession and keep it separate from to be.
Biti.
For past forms, you pair an auxiliary with a participle, e.g.
Imao sam. Ti si imao. Imao je. Ona je imala. Imalo je. Imali ste. Oni su imali.
Negation? Pop in, not.
Nisam imao. Nisi imao. Nije imao.
Slash.
Nije imalo. Niste imali. Nisu imali.
Your ear will love the rhythm. Challenge round. Your turn, speed run. I'll cue English, you fire Croatian fast. I had a sandwich.
Imao sam.
Sendvik. You had the list, SG.
Ti si imao.
Poppies. He had the car yesterday.
Imao je.
Auto juicer. She had a ticket.
Ona je imala.
Kartu. It had 2 buttons.
Imalo je.
Dvi tipka. You had time, plural, formal.
Imali ste.
Vremena. They had a solution.
Oni su imali.
Riesng. Final flash. To have, infinitive.
Imati.
Goodbye and keep going. You did great, high five. Lock it in with a quick recap today. Thanks for listening. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Imao sam. Ti si imao. Imao je. Ona je imala. Imalo je. Imali ste. Oni su imali.
And the bass.
Imati.
For more lessons, downloads, and laughs, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.